Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both earbuds and the case have some charge. Low battery can block pairing. Once the earbuds power on, remove them from the case, and they should try to connect. If they do not, press and hold the touch surfaces on both earbuds for about 3-5 seconds to force Bluetooth pairing mode. This sends the earbuds discoverable signal so your device can see them. It's the essential first step to begin the actual connection process. Once the earbuds are discoverable, open your device's Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. Tap the entry labeled JBL Wave 100 TWS to initiate the link. Your device and the earbuds will exchange profiles so audio and microphone work correctly. If you see a confirmation dialog, accept it. Rarely you may be asked for a PIN, enter 0000. After pairing, allow any permission prompts for calls or media. Once done, make sure the device shows connected. Now test audio playback and the microphone with a quick song and call. Adjust volume from your device to avoid clipping. Returning the earbuds to the case, then taking them out again, helps the earbuds register as the default audio sync. If the earbuds fail to reconnect later, reset them. Press and hold the touch areas for about 10 seconds until LED indicates reset, then repeat pairing. This reset clears stale pairings and resolves common connection or audio routing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.